Hi, I'm Sean Keefe. I run sales enablement for Skybox Security, and here's a demonstration video covering change tracking. One of the features of Firewall Assurance is ACL change tracking. Change tracking occurs as part of the firewall configuration collection process. Each time a configuration is collected, the new configuration can be compared to the existing configuration and any ACL firewall changes delineated. These changes can be seen at the bottom of the Firewall Assurance main screen in the Change Tracking section. In our example, we can see 22 changes. The 22 is a link to drill down for further data. Let's click that link. Clicking the link brings us to the All Changes tab in the data pane. This shows us a list of all of the changes for the change tracking period. This period can be changed by right-clicking All Firewalls and choosing Change Tracking, and then Change Tracking Period. We're using All Available. However, you can see the other options that are available. In the data pane, we can see a lot of information. What was changed, how it was changed, who made the change, and if you're using Change Manager, you can even tell if the change was authorized or not. For the first change, we can see that Rule 8 on the main firewall was changed by Mike Brown. The description says that one object was removed from the service field. Choosing the Change Details tab on the bottom shows us that the TFTP object was removed. The second change in the list shows us that the Application4 object was changed on the main firewall. Change Details shows us the IP address was changed. We can see what it was before and after the change. Looking at the Affected Access Rules tab shows us that only Rule 13 was affected by this change, as it's the only rule using this object. If we skip down a few, we can see an object that was deleted. Object temp dev was deleted, and this deletion will affect 3 rules that were using that object. Last, let's look at a deleted rule. Rule number 5 was deleted from the main firewall on November 16th by Paul Rand. Looking at the change details, we can see what that rule used to look like. In summary, ACL change tracking is an important feature of Firewall Assurance. It allows administrators to clearly see the changes and the details of those changes that have taken place on their firewalls. Thank you for watching this video on ACL change tracking. Please visit our website for additional videos and other resources.